Are you ready to learn how to speak English? Let's dive into the basics and get started. First things first, start with the basics. Learn simple phrases and vocabulary to build your foundation. But don't stop there. Practice speaking and listening every day to improve your skills. Did you know that immersion is key to learning a language? Watch English movies, listen to English music, and surround yourself with the language. And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. So what are you waiting for? Start practicing and immersing yourself in the language today.